Hi everybody, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can mock up the watch. So I'm going to mock up this watch using this home screen and it apply to this screen. So let's get started. So first unlock the background and then you need to select this tool as eclipse, as my watch is on circle. So just place the eclipse here just like this. So right now you can see the color is really black, so you want to choose this color as red maybe. It should be easy for you to distort this thing. So once you guys have done this, now you will need to right click and then convert this to smart object. All right, and once you guys have done this, you need to choose this by or select this by holding on Control plus T. Since you are in this same layer, it should choose this layer. All right, now right click here and then just simply distort this. By distorting, now you can move this eclipse to wherever you want it to. So just position this to your watch until and unless you are happy. All right, so now I'm happy with this result and I'm going to check mark there, and you can see it just look great right now. So after you have done this, you need to double click and this eclipse, it should be on another tab. Now go ahead and find your home screen of your watch. So for me it's this one, so Control C and you can go to this tab. All right, go back to this tab and Control V to paste this. Now right click on this home screen layer and then create a clipping mask over here. And once you've done that, you can see that it just created a clipping mask for you. Now Control T to transform. Now you will need to adjust according to your need. So I think this is okay right now, as you guys can see that. So just check mark this once you guys are happy. And once you guys have done this, you need to click on this file and then save. So as soon as you hit this save button, it should be showing on your mockup as well. And we are not done yet because this is not looking happy. So to make this look like realistic, you will need to choose this from normal to screen. You can see how it's looking right now. This one as well, the linear dodge and screen, it's really gorgeous, and now it's looking like a realistic. You can also play with some opacity if you wanted to control its dimness, like how much you want it to. I guess 95 is okay for me. So this is it guys, this is how you should mock up your watch or any props that you wanted to. And after you've done this, you need to export this to PNG or whatsoever file you wanted to. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.